Microsoft Copilot, your ultimate AI work assistant. AI is transforming the workplace, and Microsoft Copilot is leading the revolution. Integrated into Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams, this AI assistant helps automate tasks, generate reports, analyze data, and even draft emails, all with a single prompt. Imagine needing a summary of a long document, an automated Excel formula, or a well-structured presentation. Copilot does it instantly, saving hours of work. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude, Copilot is built directly into Microsoft 365, making it a seamless part of daily workflows. Whether you're managing projects, crunching numbers, or brainstorming ideas, AI now works alongside you like a real assistant. But does this mean AI will replace office jobs or simply make work easier? As AI continues to evolve, the way we work is changing forever. What do you think? Will AI be your new coworker or your biggest competitor? Let us know in the comments.